Hi, it's Mitch from Paul with a new build. It's going to be starting today or tomorrow. This is Matilda Mkiii from Tamiya, and it's the 300th celebration kit of milestone of their kit building industry. And also this is going to be my armistice build to celebrate those that passed away during World War II and World War I, obviously, and all the other conflicts around the world regarding military people protecting their countries. And so this is going to be the build, and so I'm going to just show you now. Inside the box there's bits and pieces. I'm not going to go through the parts, I can do that as we go through the build. And this is a nice little sheet, gives you some details there. There's the whole top, instructions, and they're all sealed all the way through. And there you go, so everything's sealed, so I haven't touched them. Now you have got tracks in there, but I've actually got some metal ones to come, and I'll just show them. There they are. That's the tracks, flat type, and these will be workable. There you go, and a bit more flexible. Might be able to put them in the end, who knows. But anyway, there's the tracks. And I've thrown away the it's down there on the floor. I've thrown away the rubber band tracks that come with the kit, so I didn't want those at all. So there you go. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be building this on camera, like I said, and doing a bit of spraying on it occasionally as well. And what I'm going to be doing is any sanding I'm doing on it, I'll start it and then take it away, because sometimes it's sanding and it's just eating up video time. So there you go. So that's my next build for the Armistice Day, and it's on the 11th, I think. It's tomorrow. Yeah, it's tomorrow the 11th, I think. What's the date today? Oh yeah, it's the 11th, so that's tomorrow. But I'll be starting. I might start it tomorrow. Then it'll be actually starting on Armistice Day as well. Right. Thank you very much for watching this video, and stay safe out there, and happy modelling.